Anytime now. And the race is on. Sugar Glaze, the favorite, fast to begin rushing up as it could. Down on the inside, Senorita Alessi sailing away. Long nose of Grand Homer. Canadian Girl is running at the tail of the field. Sugar Glaze as it could on the outside. Long Nose Hawk racing third by about 2 lengths. Senorita Alessi sailing away. And at the far turn, it's now Azikuda by half a length, followed by Sugar Glaze. Long Nose Hawk racing on the outside third as they race the final corner. Azikuda by a length and a half. Long Nose Hawk on the outside. Sugar Glaze down on the inside as they race the last 150. Azikuda, Long Nose Hawk on the outside. Sugar Glaze, Long Nose Hawk, Azikuda by the rail. It's still Long Nose Hawk, Azikuda, Sugar Glaze, and finally Long Nose Hawk, Azikuda, Sugar Glaze sailing away. Senorita Alessi and Grand Homer Canadian Girl.